Hi! In this circuit, we use components like the slide switch and buzzer, along with the power indicator circuit we built earlier. Let's build this circuit in Tinkercad and simulate it. We will first build the power supply circuit seen earlier. Let's draw the components mentioned on the circuit diagram seen earlier. So, we will draw the USB standard A connector LED red and resistor of value 1 kilo ohms. We will connect as follows: the 5-volt positive of the USB to the terminal 2 of the resistor. This is the positive line, so we shall select the wire color red. Terminal 1 of the resistor to the anode of the LED. Cathode of the LED to the ground of the USB connector. This is negative line, so we shall select the wire color black. We will now complete the rest of the circuit, for which we shall draw the slide switch and the buzzer from the component library and wire them as follows: terminal 2 of the slide switch to the terminal 2 of the resistor 1 kilo ohms. Common of the slide switch to the positive of the buzzer. Negative of the buzzer to the cathode of the LED. We have now completed the circuit. Let's start the simulation. Glowing red LED indicates the circuit is powered, but the buzzer is not sounding as the circuit is open. When the slider is moved from the original position, it closes the circuit and the buzzer sounds. When the slider is moved back to the previous position, again the circuit is open and the buzzer does not sound. This is how the slide switch functions. This circuit has many applications. A few examples could be sirens in factories, ambulance sirens, and so on. You can now build your own circuit, download the image file, and submit in the assignment. Circuit explanation. In this project, the current flows in 2 paths. The path 1 is a power indicator circuit seen earlier in Project 1. When powered up, the red LED glows, indicating that the circuit is powered. In path 2, slide switch and buzzer are connected in series with the USB DC power. When you move the slider of the slide switch to another position, electric current flows from the positive 5-volt terminal of the USB through the slide switch, buzzer, and to ground, negative, completing the path 2 and forming a closed circuit. As soon as the current flows in the closed circuit, the buzzer starts emitting a sound. When the slider moves back to the previous position, the path is interrupted and therefore the buzzer goes off. This circuit is used in many applications. One shown here is a factory siren. Have fun! Cheers!